Welcome to Empowered Gardening. After only 2 weeks, we have our first harvest. Planted these in this pot, wastebasket, and now we have to do something important.
What are we going to do today?
We're going to do something called thinning. And this is when the plants are seeded in very close together, they start to grow and they get very not only close together, but they give us our first harvest. So what we're going to do is we're going to notice where the plants are planted. These are planted about an inch away from one another, so that's good. We don't have to thin there. These are planted a little too close together. So what we can do is dig down, right? And then, or you can just do this with your finger or any kind of spoon and just pull one right out. Look at that.
Wow.
Now, you could transplant that and put that into another container. Remember, radishes get at least two inches at the most, or an inch in diameter. So I'm going to, right? See that? How beautiful that is? These are the very first leaves that come up. These are the next leaves.
Wow.
So do you want to taste the first harvest?
Sure. The whole thing.
Now that is considered a microgreen. Very expensive in
Delicious.
restaurants.
Very delicious.
Okay, now these are all separated because we just pulled that one out. Oh, I'm going to just grab this little one. And it's so cute. I am going to plant it in a little pot because you can do that too. So you can eat your first harvest or plant it with another pal in a little tiny pot.
How many can we put in there?
You could put 2 in this one, or we could actually, I would say, thin some more out of this and have it for our salad this
Okay.
afternoon. How does that sound?
That sounds fantastic. Should we thin them all in one day, or can you go several days without thinning them?
That's a really good question. You can actually do this over time, and you can pick just a salad that you need.
Okay. That sounds great. So there's no rush.
There is no rush.
Good. Because we don't like to be rushed. And neither do the plants.
That is a very good point. So the last thing I'm going to show you here is that when you pick them up, you can do it in a grouping like this and then replant them. Okay, so then you decide which ones you're going to take for the harvest and which ones you are going to eat. And you can do this in garden soil. We just happen to put this in a wastebasket, but you can do this anywhere. Okay, and then you can put it right back in when you take out the ones that you don't want. And then we have lunch. So please subscribe to our channel and give any comments or questions underneath each video.